Sometimes, you post a lot of statuses on WhatsApp. If you want to share those statuses as your Instagram story too, you can. In this video, we'll show you how to do that. To start, open the WhatsApp application. At the top, you'll see 3 dots. Tap on them. When you do, you'll see a settings option. Click on settings. Then, you'll find a privacy option. Tap on privacy. Once you're there, you'll see an option labeled status. Click on status. You'll notice an option for Instagram story. By default, it's turned off. To share your WhatsApp status as your Instagram story too, just turn it on. After that, your WhatsApp status will also be shared as your Instagram story. But here's the thing, for this to work, your WhatsApp account and Instagram account need to be linked to your account center. If they're not linked when you try to turn this on, you'll land on the account center page. Just click the next button, log into your Instagram account, and your WhatsApp number and Instagram account will be linked to your account center. Then, you can turn this on. If you're still confused, we've made a video about linking accounts in the account center. If you want to watch that video, the link's in the description. Check it out there. Anyway, after that, just turn on the option, and your WhatsApp status will also be shared as your Instagram story. That's how you can easily share your WhatsApp status as an Instagram story too. Hope this video was helpful. If you found it useful, consider subscribing. See you in the next video.